Assalamu alaikum, fast people. I'm MD Pranto Ali. Today I'm gonna tell you now in this video. Right now it's raining and I'm making video. You can see this is very darkness cloud coming in front of me, and right now I'm making video. This is very hilarious and funny. So it's enjoy. I don't share with you this time my feel. The cloud is lightning as well as thundering, and I am making video. After finish my work, before go my home, every day I try to make video, because when I work my field, that time I think what topic will I discuss with you. But when I was working my field, that time suddenly it's raining start. Right now also raining, but this is very little, it's not a big deal. But I will go my home. I know I don't want to wait right now, so I will going my home. Actually, if I don't make video, I don't feel well. I cannot work but make video every day. I am used to practicing English every day, particularly afternoon time and few days when I stay my bitterly field fiber battle. That time I make video. So right now I am bound to stop this video because it's raining. This is cloud. My phone camera not properly captured this cloud. That's all about today's video topic.